How to sign up for DHgate affiliate program. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar, you simply want to go ahead and search for aff.dhgate.com. Once you search for it, DHgate.com affiliate program website is gonna open up in your screen. Now from your screen, you want to go ahead and tap on Join Free. And just like so, inside here, in order to sign up for DHgate affiliate program, you want to go ahead and enter the valid email address right over here and then simply enter the password. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and tick on this box and then tap on Create My Account. So once you have entered the details, tap on Create My Account. And just like so, a verification code is sent to you in your email address. You want to go ahead and enter the verification code right in this box. And once you enter the verification code, you'll then be able to sign up for a DHgate affiliate program. That's how I do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.